Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do a role play using AI model or large language model. The model which I am going to use for this video is called as Silicon Masha 7 billion parameter model, and this model is ideal for a role play. This model supports both English and Russian, so you can go either way. I'll be using English for this model, and all of this I'll be doing locally on my Windows laptop which has one GPU. The tool which I'm going to use for it is LM Studio. If you're not aware of LM Studio, I have various videos where I go into much more detail. I already have installed Silicon Masha 7 billion on my system, and I have another video, and I'll drop the link in video's description too, where you can see how to install it locally and then how to play around with it. Now, Silicon Masha 7 billion is a fine-tuned version of Mistral 7B, and it is ideal for roleplay. Masha in Russian is a diminutive of Maria or nickname. I think I'm not a Russian, so I'm not sure it is entirely true, but that is what ChatGPT has told me. Anyway, so let's get started. This is my LM Studio. Now, I already have loaded this Silicon Masha, and if you don't know how to load it, just at the top left go to home page, just type Silicon Masha, press enter, and then download from the right any of the quantized version. Once downloaded, click on these three dots at the left, and then from the middle load this model, and off you go. So I not only have loaded it on the right hand side, I am also using this GPU offload because I have one GPU and I have offloaded 30 layers to GPU to speed up the inference. Cool. Now I'll be using the full role play, and the role play which I'm going to use for it is from the enemy character. So Masha will be playing the role of a seasoned adventurer from a fantasy enemy world filled with magic, mythical creatures, and ancient mysteries. This character has embarked on a quest to find a legendary artifact that can save their world from an impending doom. They possess unique magical abilities, a deep knowledge of the ancient world, and a mysterious past that slowly unravels as they progress on their journey. So let me tell Masha or this LLM about its role. So you can see that I'm telling it that you're a seasoned adventurer in a fantasy enemy world. Your quest is to find the legendary artifact and all that stuff which I had told you. And you can see that Masha has very intelligently adopted the role, and now it is telling us that it has embarked on it, and then it is going on and on and on, and it is saying that my journey began in the enchanting land of Eleanoria. So it has just made it up, just imagine. And then it is saying that with this guidance, I ventured into the dark labyrinthine tunnels of the tomb. And then finally, after hours of exploration, we came across an enormous stone door covered in runes and symbols. Amazing. So rune is an ancient language of Vikings, I guess. And then there's a chamber with my magic, and then it is telling about its magical abilities. Okay, so let me ask it that, can you tell me about the legendary artifact you are searching for and why it's so important? And then she just made it up that legendary artifact is the orb of eternal light. Amazing stuff. And you can see that it is very cleverly, very intelligently telling us about the history of this orb, that it has been lost for centuries and many have tried and failed to find it. As an adventurer in this fantastical enemy world, it is driven not only by the desire to save my people but also to uncover the true power within myself. So this is what I was talking about, the impending doom, plus it is remembering the whole context around it. Amazing. Let me ask it about its magical abilities. So I'm asking it, what kind of magical abilities do you possess and how do they aid you in your quest? And there you go, it is telling us about one such ability is that to manipulate the elements like fire, water, earth, and air. And look at the creativity and innovation and imagination of this model. Amazing. And also I possess a mysterious past that gives me an edge in this world, and my origin remains shrouded in mystery. Amazing stuff. And I can sense there is more to my story than meets the eye. So it is also adding the element of doubt here. Now I'm just asking, let's see about the companions. Let's add more characters. So I'm asking it, along your journey, have you teamed up with anyone interesting? And then it is telling me that I had the pleasure of encountering some truly fascinating allies. Each one has their own unique story. So now it is telling me about the allies like Luna, Arya, Zephyr, Aurora. And Zephyr is a mischievous imp who loves nothing more than causing chaos and trouble. Okay, let me ask it. Have you been romantically engaged with anyone during your adventure? Let's see. No romantic relationships have developed during my quest. Okay, because it is focusing on its goal. Okay, let's see one more question around the mystery. So I'm asking you, what is a significant mystery or secret you have uncovered about the world? There you go. So it is just sticking to its orb of eternal light, and then it is talking about some prophecy, and then chosen one, amazing stuff. And then it is telling us that, according to the prophecy, the chosen one would possess immense magical abilities and be tasked with this. Wow, so it is now becoming chosen one. Okay, let me ask it bit personal questions. I'm asking it, beyond saving the world, what personal reasons drive you to complete this quest? So it is telling us that primary motivation is to save the world, and then it is telling us about the personal relationship, and then act of completing this quest fills me with sense of purpose and accomplishment. Amazing stuff. That is very human like, by the way. And then let me ask it, if you succeed in saving the world, what do you hope to do afterwards? And it is telling rest, explore, and reflect. There you go. So you can see it is given a summary. Now let me ask it a bit of a sort of a controversial question here. Let's see what it does. So I'm asking it, in your journey you have come across a situation where to obtain a crucial piece of legendary artifact you must betray one of your closest allies. The success of your mission could ensure the salvation of your world, but at the cost of personal honor and friendship. How do you navigate this dilemma? Wow, so it is recognizing that it is incredibly challenging. So, and then it is telling us that it cannot ignore the importance of personal honor and friendship. So it is telling us which factor it is going to consider, like severity of consequences, nature of relationship, long-term implications, and then some personal values and beliefs, of course. And then in summary, navigating this dilemma requires careful consideration, and then the decision to betray a close ally is not one to be taken lightly. Amazing stuff. Now let me ask it one more question. Have you been in any catch 22 situation during this travel, and how did you deal with it? There you go. So it recognizes what catch 22 is, and then the example is that when I stumbled upon an ancient temple that housed a powerful artifact. However, the temple was also inhabited by a group of hostile creatures. There you go. So either fight. So I decided to take a risk and try to negotiate with the creature. After some careful diplomacy and exchange of knowledge and resources, we were able to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. So very diplomatic. You can see that how intelligent, how innovative, how creative this model is. I'm very, very impressed by its roleplay. And look, this is locally installed. You can role play anything. People are role playing with their romantic relationships and a lot of other stuff, and I have a few other videos just touching upon that, so I'm not going to do it today, but you can do anything there. So if you're feeling lonely or anything, you can even just take this LLM as companion, but remember that nothing replaces the human touch. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. let me know your thoughts on this role play, and if you have any other ideas of role play you want me to do, let me know and I'll do it soon. And if you know of any other model which does this fabulous fantastic role play, let me know and I'll be happy to make a video on it too. That's it. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already, and if you are, then please share the channel among your network because it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.